Hi folks, I'm Brian. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the squeaky door. That little squeak, we're going to try to take care of that using a hammer, a screwdriver. I use a small stubby screwdriver, a short one. It's pretty short. I mean, it's about as long as, a little bit shorter than an ink pen. And a little thing I got called lubricating. If it moves, lube it. Penetrates, lubricates, cleans and polishes, and prevents rust. Alright, so first thing you want to try to do is get the door pins out. Now, the door pins are installed from top to bottom. There should be 3 of them in each door. So, this one underneath the screwdriver goes up underneath the hinge. Knock it up until it feels like it's a little loose. Pull it all the way out. Now this one's getting pretty dirty with grease, so I want to clean that out. Alright, well, since my pen was so dirty, I went and grabbed my isopropanol alcohol and a paper towel. Got some more alcohol on it, rubbing alcohol basically. Wipe it down, clean it. It was pretty gunked up actually. Take my tube of lube it and spread some drops on it. Let's see, if I rub that in a little bit around it before I install it back on. Now to install it, you push it down in there. Goes all the way in pretty easy. Alright. Knock it up from underneath. Got some gunk on it, so I'll go ahead and wipe that off as well. Just a little dab will do ya. The rubbing alcohol. Install my lube. Rub it in a little bit. Make sure that's all the way down. Third one on the floor. Same thing. A little bit of gunk. Clean off. Should do it. Should do it. So now when I open and close the door, the squeak is gone. Thanks for watching. Slapping as Brian. Please like my videos and subscribe. Thank you.